Imagine with the new functions and modalities such as image and video, imagine just recording a video and asking GPT to identify exactly what the problem is and asking for an immediate solution. It could simply find the solution in your environment, and that's something that it's already managed to do, which is absolutely incredible. And I can definitely imagine that everyone on the planet will be using this, because if they aren't, they're going to be at a competitive disadvantage. I mean, we've already seen exactly how great GPT-4 is at interpreting images and then using those images to even execute certain commands, such as making this website. I mean, the possibilities for this are truly endless, and you do have to remember that we are only at GPT-4, which means that GPT-5 is going to be magnitudes much more better, especially once those integrations have actually managed to merge with the robots that OpenAI is supposedly working on in the future. Because of course, as you know, this is what is going to happen eventually sometime down the line. Now, we do know that there are companies that have actually integrated language models into moving robots. Here you can see a Google robot, the Palm E robot, with the parameters that are set, the 540 billion parameter model that is interacting with a live environment. And you can see right here that there is actually some adversarial disturbance where they actually take the item from its hand and see exactly how the robot will handle this problem. Now, this is why I say Google is always going to be doing some very interesting things with AI. We just have to see what they manage to release to the public, because it's always going to be interesting. And this just goes to show what ChatGPT 5 could be capable of if OpenAI decide to quickly deploy autonomous force, because as we can see, they can already interact with the environment in a very good way.